Welcome to Mini Hotel Pansol in Seoul, Korea. Seoul is capital of South Korea, one of the beautiful eastern countries with a lot of fascinating destinations. Here we go, introducing Hongdae, the place which amaze you with its street art, cafes and nightlife district. What Hongdae means in short is a variation of Hongik University, which is famous for its fine art department. So let's look around what Hongdae is all about. There is plenty of delicious Korean food nearby and also coffee shops, and not to forget the shopping area and the clubs. Korean barbecue area, it is a good place for dinner, and you can enjoy your leisure time with your friends in hundreds of coffee shops near here. And not to forget, to those who love shopping, Hongdae is quite the right place to shop. Hongdae also famous for clubbers. Hongdae nightlife is quite happening. As for people who enjoy art and performance, Nanta will make you smile, and there's a lot of graffiti around Hongdae that you will be amazed. And you also can enjoy your day with friends and family in Trade Art Museum. To get here is quite easy. By using RX, which is Airport Railroad, it's either from Incheon International Airport or Gimpo, just one line. And just get off from exit number 3, and from the exit it will take about less than 2 minutes to our hostel. We provide tour for the guests, which is Bukhansan Tour. It is for guests who enjoy hiking. It's really worth it. And also Han River Tour. We also provide you with free bicycles. Come and stay with us because great memories come from Pansol.